conferences of the year. The content is what's driving the conference and what makes it different.
People are always open to conversations about putting companies together, merging companies, acquiring companies, selling a company.
You know, the sort of growth in the from Miami to New York and Miami again has been meteoric in a sense.
It's an extraordinarily competitive environment within healthcare. Multiples are extremely high. Sellers are in the driver's seat.
It's a good experience for me as a CEO in the biotech field, learning from the lectures that have been given, the panels, networking obviously, and right now this is a little bit early for us, but it will be very beneficial to have come because we'll be able to get the understanding that we'll need long term.
The attendees who are non-McDermott attendees, the attendees get a chance to network, get a chance to mix with advisors in the private equity healthcare industry and ask questions. And it's one of those very few times that you might ask a question to a lawyer and not expect to receive a bill.
Good morning. My name's Ira Coleman and welcome to our 4th annual McDermott, Will & Emery Healthcare Services Private Equity Leadership Forum.
You'll always get some meetings and some discussions, and I think it all trickles back to McDermott.
McDermott distinguishes itself in healthcare private equity investing by having both the top experts in the healthcare regulatory field as well as top corporate lawyers. We're one of the few firms that combines both of these areas of expertise.
And it's a great time to understand how people are thinking about making healthcare investments.
We get a wide, diverse viewpoints from all the attendees, both from service providers to private equity sponsors, attorneys. We're really on the leading front edge of private equity healthcare investing, so everyone gets a nice perspective on what's going on.
From the investor side, they obviously know that there's a lot of money chasing too few deals. So they need to keep track of how much they're willing to spend, why they're willing to spend it, and how it fits into their key portfolios. I think from a seller side, they need to understand that they need to be ready to address the hard questions, particularly in the compliance space, and they need to make sure their house is in order before they go to market.
It's a pretty phenomenal growth that we've had in private equity and healthcare, and that's the way we'll go, stronger together.
The last 10 years, private equity has exploded in healthcare, and they need good lawyers.